take a picture of Daisy. You want to see our Daisy girl? So Daisy's eating right now. She's a wild cat. But I'd love to pet her, but I just want her to get used to me. Daisy girl. Daisy. Daisy probably would need water, but let her eat first. Daisy, you're so cute. Daisy, look at your skin. Not skin, not skin. The hair. Daisy, it's okay, Daisy. You're fine, Daisy. Go eat. She's just a wild cat, and she really likes Brian. So come on, Daisy girl. So we're calling her Daisy. That's her name. Come on, Daisy. Meow, meow, meow. Meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. 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 Meow, 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 meow. 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 Daisy girl. Meow, meow, Daisy. So we name her Daisy girl. That's her name, and she's a cutie. Oh my gosh. Oh, wish I can pet her. She's a cutie. She's hungry. That's why she's so hungry. Look at that. See how cute she is. She is a wild cat, and she's a baby. See how big that baby cat is? And I wish I can pet her, but I can't. I just won't need to build up rapport with her before she can go with me. Okay. She's eating. She's hungry. I just wonder where she's living right now, but she's our cat, one of our wild cats. Actually, there are two, but I'd love to pet her. And she's just very cautious right now. Very cautious little girl. She's a baby girl. Give her water. No, it's okay, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Meow. Come on.
There's some water.
Water, water. Come on, meow. Daisy, come on, Daisy. We just need to put water. She's just very cautious. Very cautious all the time. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, meow. Meow.
You're okay.
Meow. Come on, Daisy girl. Come on, Daisy. Don't be scared. So she's just very cautious. Very cautious girl.
You got water out there.
Come on.
You're licking your chops. Now you gotta be thirsty.
Okay, well, that's about it, guys.